Hello, and welcome to Carol Adventures, Lost in Space, A Call from Space. Carol was about to tuck into bed after a long day of playing fetch, when suddenly, the radio started to cackle. Carol! Carol, do you read me? Carol leaped out of the bed and spoke into the radio. I copy, Tracy. Where are you calling from? There's a lot of noise. There! On Mars! There's a lot! Out! Tracy? Tracy, do you copy? A few days ago, Tracy had taken off in a rocket to travel through space, but it sounds like Tracy may have run into trouble. Carol quickly packed a bag and went outside to find a very unfinished spaceship. I need to finish the spaceship fast so I can help Tracy. Use these paint commands to help Carol finish this spaceship and get to Tracy.